Watch how quick and easy it is to go from this to this, all in about a minute and a half. We've removed the pillows to show you just how simple the smoothing process is. First, pull the fitted sheet, or base sheet, nice and snug. Next, lift the top sheet into place, followed by the optional mid-layer, and then the comforter, making sure each layer is even and smooth as you go. One of the key benefits of our patent-pending Comfort Toes bedding system is that the foot of the bed stays neatly in place all night thanks to the button lock system. For an even more polished look, you can tuck in the sides all around. Fluff and return your pillows to complete the steps. Just like that, your bed is remade and ready for the day.